Hi, I wanted to do a video. This is like my reveal because today I've always wanted to be an artist, but I can't draw. But let what you can't do, don't let that stop you. I'm not letting it stop me. So today is my reveal. I am creating my own art, my own artwork, and I am excited. So I went to FedEx and I had it printed up. And so what I'm doing, I'm framing it up now. And I already have one on the wall over there. I'm gonna take a picture once I get this one on the wall and framed when I finish. So you'll see. And I'm doing this video, I like to document my process. I have a company called Unicorns and Rainbows, and what I do for businesses that have a very unique, God-given vision, one-of-a-kind vision, dream, destiny. I help you with your image consulting. I help you with styling. I help you finding your voice. You know, there are a lot of us that aren't comfortable here in front of the camera. I'm not comfortable. I have to force myself to sit here because, for one, I hate my voice. But anyway, y'all, some people I see them, they on here and they just talk for days. And I'm like, yes, you got it. But I like to document my process. So today, I'm excited that I'm creating something that I've always had a dream of doing. It's fun, you know, it's just what I like to do. And so I think it's important that we celebrate the small things that we've seen in our visions, that we've written about, and we see it starting to come to pass. Let's capture the moment. So I'm capturing the moment and I'm highlighting the moment, and that's what I like to do and have a passion to do for people and companies. Really coming in and help you highlight that special gift that God has down on the inside. Sometimes the hardest thing that we are able to do is really see the beauty in us. And I think that's a gift that I truly have, that God has really given me, to really bring out that beauty, that passion, that God-given confidence, and bring it out to really enhance the gift that He's given you. So I'm excited. You know, I get to meet a lot of wonderful people. I'm excited about their visions, what we're doing together, and just that God has allowed me, just really given me such a unique gift that I'm really excited, and I'm humbled by it. So if you know that if you have a God-given vision, you haven't really found your voice in it, you don't really know how to bring it to pass, to make it unique like God has shown you, you know, reach out. We can talk. And it's fun. It's a creative process, and it's such a fun and enjoyable creative process. So I want to make it fun for you. It shouldn't be fearful, and I understand the fear. So we can work through it. So I am going to finish framing up my artwork, and I'm going to take a picture and post it for you guys. And like I was saying, I don't think I finished my sentence, sorry. I get nervous sitting here, y'all. This is not easy. Y'all make this look really easy, and it's not. But I like documenting the process. I don't want to start doing videos once I'm there. You know, I want to show you when I'm small, when I'm believing God, when I don't know what the next step is, when I don't know how to open the next door. I don't know where the next door is coming from. So I want to show that I'm consistent in what I believe I'm called to do. And so I keep investing in the needed equipment. I keep taking the needed classes, just being consistent on learning the thing that I know I'm called to do, learning it from all angles and sides, and being consistent in learning and wanting to learn. So see me now, watch me later. Because it's coming to pass. And I'm saying that for me, and I'm saying it for those watching, because you're watching, because you're already there. And we're here together on the same path, making it happen. So we gonna all be at the top together. And for those that are already on the top, open the door. Open the door for those coming behind you. That's how you get big. Open doors, doing for others what you may need someone to do for you. But all right. So I'm gonna post a picture because today I'm really happy. Okay. Blessings to you. Praying for you. Read your word every day. At least a verse a day or a chapter a day. Okay? All right, peace. All right, okay, everyone. These are the finished prints. It's the 2 on each side, not the middle print. And yes, they're pictures of me, and more me. You know, I think it's important that we highlight ourselves and just show the universe that we really, really believe in who we are and what we're called to do. So this is my statement to the world. This is my coming out and just fully embracing everything God's given me and the gift that he's given me inside to create the beauty, not just in me, but in others. So I'm excited about the process. I'm excited about those that are joining me and supporting me in this process. So here we are. More to come. Stay tuned. Blessings.